In my last video, I was talking about this, the Samsung Galaxy S7 FE, and more specifically, how Samsung had taken some of their more prominent applications, like second screen, and buried them inside the developer menu. But more on that in just a moment. First, I want to thank you for stopping by the channel, and specifically watching this video. And if you like the content that I'm creating, please give the channel a like, a subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content that I'm creating. All of that helps the algorithm let me know that I'm doing a good job keeping you entertained and educated. As I was saying, so it seemed that Samsung had deliberately removed the feature of second screen as a main application button. Well, I have fantastic news, because it looks like Samsung heard my complaints and have put out a new update. Well, Samsung at least put out the October security update. And heading over to Samsung's website, we can take a look at some of the previous updates and see that they include things like multitasking, extract and scan text, and even improvements to phone calls. And then, scrolling up to the most current build, which is T733XXU1BVI2, which is a really catchy name, you can see that it merely states that overall stability of your device has been improved. Which really makes me wonder, is this some vast cover-up job that Samsung's done to mask the fact that they were trying to get rid of features? Or is this simply just Samsung finding an oopsie and correcting it? Well, either way you look at it, the feature is now back on the device. So I'm going to show you the before and the after so you can see how to set this up for yourself. Now, previously, you would have to pull down your notification shade, look through your Smart View app, go into the three dots, select Settings and About, and then you would have to tap on Smart View multiple times, which would enable developer options. From there, you could scroll down to Start Second Screen and select the slider. And this would enable second screen on the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. A very convoluted and difficult process. But now, I'm going to show you the new way, or in this case, the old new, or the new old. Anyway, I'm going to show you how it works now. So if you remember before, we had to go through all those developer options to get to second screen. Now it's very simple. Drag down on the notification shade, slide over, and there's our second screen button. You click that and you're back in your menu. Now on my computer, I can select Windows and K to cast to a new screen, find my Galaxy tab, select it, and once they pair up, and now that the screen is paired, it works just like any other monitor. You just drag down what you want, and then you can use the screen however you want. You can use it to read documents while you're doing other things on your main screen, or you can use it to watch movies, which you could do anyway. So I use it mostly for work, where I've got my email set up on the tablet and I'm using my main screen for remoting into other computers and things like that. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I just wanted to show you that Samsung has fixed the error and you now have second screen back on what I would assume would be all of the Samsung tablet family. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.